Today we're going to talk about product liability insurance. Now, if you're a business owner who manufactures, distributes, or sells products, here's a question for you. What happens if your product causes harm to someone? Now, that's where product liability insurance comes in. It's not just a nice to have, it's essential for protecting your business, your reputation, and your future. So let's talk about what this coverage is, why it matters, and how it can make all the difference. So let's get started. Now let's understand the risk. Every product you sell, whether it's a bottle of lotion, a power tool, or even a baked good, comes with potential risk. If a customer is injured or their property is damaged by your product, they can sue your business for compensation. Now, even if you didn't make the product yourself, you can still be held liable because you sold it to them. This includes private label resellers and distributors. Keep in mind, the law doesn't care if it was a factory defect, labeling issue, or something outside your control. If your name is tied to the product, your business is on the hook. Now, what does product liability insurance cover? Product liability insurance is designed to protect your business from, number one, bodily injury claims, if someone is hurt by your product. Number two, property damage, if your product causes damage to someone's property. Number three, legal fees, including defense costs, court costs, and settlements. Number four, medical payments, especially if treatment is required due to the product's harm. 5, reputational damage control. Some policies offer a PR support after the claim. Now, in today's world, lawsuits happen fast, and they are often very expensive. A single claim could easily cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, let me tell you about a real-life situation I came across not too long ago. A small Texas-based skincare company sold a new organic lotion at a local craft fair. The product was homemade, used natural oils, and had great reviews. But one of the customers developed a skin rash and ended up going to urgent care. The customer filed a claim alleging negligence and improper ingredients disclosures. The business owner was devastated, not just by the accusation, but by the legal letter that followed. Fortunately, she had product liability insurance. Her policy covered the legal defense, medical bills, and settlement. Without it, she'd possibly file for bankruptcy or shut down her business completely. Now, it was a tough experience. But thanks to the policy, she recovered and even improved her labeling and production practices. Now, who needs this coverage? You need product liability coverage if you, 1, manufacture or sell physical goods, 2, import or private label products, 3, sell online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify, 4, are part of a supply chain in any way. Now, even if your product is low risk, it only takes one incident to trigger a claim. And let's be honest, customers are more likely to sue than ever. So what's next? Product liability insurance isn't just about protecting your finances. It's about safeguarding your dream and the trust you built with your clients. If you're not sure whether your current business policy includes this protection, let's talk. I can help you review your risk and make sure you're covered properly before a claim even happens. But don't stop here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And check out my next video for more insurance protection tips. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.